Good afternoon, fourth grade. I'm going to try it again. This is week 3, day 2 for your DMR. Okay, number 1. Where is the arrow located on the number line below? Okay, look at your numbers. You have a 2, and you're going to write this in decimal form. So this is going to be 2 point what? 2 point what? Okay, so you have 2, and then you're going to count each one of these lines. So you know you're at 2, you're past 2, but you're not to 3. So your decimal is going to be 2 decimal what? Each one of these is worth a tenth, 1/10. Okay, so 2.1, 2.2, and so forth. So where is this arrow located? Write it in decimal form. So it's going to be 2 point wherever you think this arrow is at. Okay? I can't give you the answer. Okay, number 2 is create a decimal that falls between 0.5 and 0.6. So if you think of a number line, let's do this here. I'm going to do a number line, and you're going to have, let's say, 5 is here, and 6 is here. Okay? You need to create a decimal that is between 5 and 6, 0.5 and 0.6, okay? This is actually a line when you do a number line, not a dot, okay? So you're going to have 8 lines in between here. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I know that's kind of sloppy, but 0.5 to 0.6, and you have 8 lines. So anything in between here would be a correct answer. So 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, and so forth. So any of one of those would be correct, because you're at 5 here, just like a whole number, but this is decimal form, 0.5 and 0.6. So if you went right in the middle, you would be 5.55. So any one of these would be correct. 0.5 what? Okay, you need another digit there. Anything between 5 and 6. Okay? One example would be, this is 0.55. Okay? All right, the next one, which is a little more complicated. Okay, it is distributive property. Okay, use distributive property to find the product of 3,498 times 7. Okay, 300 distributive property. Find the product of. So that's multiplying. 3,498 times 7. Okay, you can do it this way. You're going to take 3,498 and you're going to break it into smaller pieces. So 3,490 and 8. Each one of those needs to be multiplied times 7. So you can do it this way, or you can write it out like this. 7, this means times 3,000 plus 7 times, this is a 4 here, 400, plus 7 times 90, plus 7 times 8. Now, when I do it this way, I like to put my answers like this. What is 7 times 3,000? Well, you know 7 times 3 is 21. And then how many zeros do you need to add? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 7 times 400, 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and so forth, plus 7 times 90, whatever that answer is, and 7 times 8, whatever that answer is. Then you need to add these 4 answers together. Okay, this is standard form. 3,498 times 7. But they need you to write it in distributive property. That means break it down. Okay? And then you need to add all 4 of these numbers together. Okay? Number 4. Find all the common factors of 30 and 40. Okay? 30. Is 1 a factor of 30? Yes. 1 times what is 30? 2. Can 2 go into 30? Yes. 40. Can 1 go into 40? Of course. Can 2 go into 40? Yes. So keep going like that. And you can just do 30 and do all of the factors for 30. You can list all the factors for 40. And then you're going to circle or list only the common factors, meaning the same digits or numbers that are factors to get to 30. Only the same ones that 30 and 40 have in there to make those numbers. Okay? The last one for today is list the first 5 multiples of 25. If we were to do multiples of 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Those are the multiples of 5. Those are the first 5 multiples of 5. You need to list the first 5 multiples of 25. Okay? Have a great night. I'm going to go ahead and do tomorrow morning's next, so it'll be ready for you nice and early. Bye.